guys, this is lesson 2.
I want to teach you how to say yes, no, one and no one. Yes is S-H-I. 是
What? H-S-I?
S-H-I.
Oh, it 是
是
是
Say again.
是
Almost there. One more time.
Say again.
是 Yes.
Correct, yeah?
Yes, how to say yes?
是
是 If no, you need to add one more word. 不 in front of the 是不是
不是 No, it's 不是
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 Okay. How to say no?
不是
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 You just need soft. You don't need to so hard. Like 不是不是
不是不是
不是
不是
Okay. I think you correct already. Okay. Then you can learn how to say one.
One
I want means 我要means one.
One
I want you can say 我要
我要要 is easy, yeah?
Repeat again. Say 我要
我要
What is mean?
I want
If you say you don't want, how to say?
我不要
Yes. Same with just now that one. You just need to add the word 不 means no.
So 不要 is the one
Yeah.
不要 Okay
Okay. Wait. Let's see you can recall back or not. How to say yes?
是
How to say no?
How to say no? 不是
If I say what? I want?
要
One more time. I think this one got a bit.
要
有要
要
Okay. If don't want?
不要
Okay. Correct. Good job.
Okay, now it's your turn. Learn Tamil. So it's gonna be the same word. Yes, no, one, no one. To say yes, you say Aama.
Aama. Like you calling your grandmother, is it? Aama.
No, Aama. Aama is mother. Aama is yes.
Oh. So the pitching must be go down or go up?
The pitching Aama. It's
Aama.
The R should be 2 A's lah basically. Aama.
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 Okay.
Aama. Say again.
Aama.
Yeah. Okay, and then next is no. No is very easy. You say Ille.
Ille.
You need to shake your head a bit. Ille.
Shake a bit. Ille.
You say Ille.
Ille.
Okay, so now you're gonna say I want. I want. Okay? So one is Vennum. No, it's V-E. Vennum.
Num or what? How to
V-E-N-U-M.
N-U-M. Vennum.
So when you casually you're saying Vennum, it's Venno.
Venno.
Venno. Yeah.
Venno.
Yeah. I don't want is Venna. You just change the O to A.
Venna.
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 Yeah. So now you already learned. So let's see if we can say it or not. So what is yes?
Aama.
What is no?
Ille.
I don't want
Venna.
I want
Venna.
Vennum. I want is Vennum. I don't want is Venna.
Venna.
Vennum, Venna. Vennum, I want.
The one is Venna.
Yes. So how do you say yes?
Yes is Aama.
No?
Ille.
I want.
Vennum.
I don't want.
Vennum.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you for watching. See you.
See you.
Bye.